Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Are you struggling to find quality PMP study materials? You're not alone, many candidates face this challenge. In this video, we will guide you to free resources. Our goal is to equip you with valuable study options. First, let's explore online platforms. Check out websites like Project Management Institute. They often provide free resources for PMP exam prep. Next, consider visiting educational platforms like Coursera. They're known for free courses on project management topics. YouTube is a treasure trove of PMP content. Search for reputable channels specializing in PMP training. Another useful tip is to join online study groups. Groups on Facebook or LinkedIn often share free materials. Additionally, don't overlook ebooks and PDFs. Many authors share their guides and materials for free. Make sure to check educational websites too. They often have free downloads for study guides. In summary, numerous free resources are available online. Utilize these materials effectively to ace your PMP exam. Now, go out and explore these valuable options. Your path to PMP certification is clear and achievable.